Hello everyone. I'm going to share a one real scenario case where we have to extract the tables from the PDF. So I have one PDF which contains the multiple tables and I want to extract the details from this table and store into the new Excel file. So for this one, I will use this Power Automate desktop. I will use this action extract tables from PDF. Now it is asking the PDF file path. So I will copy the path and I will provide it over here, or you can browse that also. So it says, do you want to extract all the PDF or you want to go for single specific page or range of the page? So I'm extracting all this one and storing into this variable, extract tables from PDF. So now if I will execute this one, let me execute. So here, whatever the tables I have into this PDF file, all the tables will be extracted and will store into this variable. So this variable will contain all the tables which we have into that PDF file. So now if I open this one, so here you can see it extracted all the PDF tables here. Now if I click on this more, and now if I click on more, so now you can see this is a table information. Same here, if I go back, and now here you can see it is giving you all these informations here, right? So here you can see in this table 1 from page 5 and page 6, you have a 19 rows and the 7 columns. If I click on more and click on more, then you can see I have this information, and which is nothing, which is this table. So now I want to capture this table 4 and I just want to store into the one Excel file. So how we will do this one? We will just go for on the basis of this index number. So in the left hand side, you can see these are the index number. So will use this one, that from which index number we want to fetch the table. So we just want to go for this 4 number. So how we will do this? So I want to store into the new Excel file. So I will use this Excel, launch Excel. I will open a blank document and then I will just go for this write to Excel worksheet action. Now, which value you want to write? That is the most important point. So my tables are extracted into this variable, which is extracted PDF tables. So I will call that variable. And here, I just need to provide the index number. So the index number is 4. And from that data table, this one. So you have to provide this one, this value I want to write. And where you want to write? On a specific cell, which is a A1. So now if I click on save, and now if I run this, so it will extract the details from the PDF and it will open the new Excel file, and on the A1 cell, it will write the data. So now it is opening the Excel file, and in this new Excel file, it will write the data. So now you can see this is done. And if you see, your data is pasted here, right? And you can validate. So this is basically the data we have from the port. So now this data is pasted, you can see. Okay. So now here, what I'm just looking for an example, here the headers are not coming. So I need the headers also. So in that case, you have to follow a small trick, okay, which you have to be careful when you are extracting the data if you want the header. So into this first action, just open this one, go into this advanced and turn off this toggle button. First line contains the column name. Just turn it off. So now your first row, which is actually your headers, that will consider as a record and it will be pasted now. So I executed this again, and now this time, whatever the data will be pasted, it will contains the header for this table 4. So you can change the index number also. So now you can see the table 4 data is pasted successfully here. Now it is considering this headers also. So this is the concept how you can extract the data from the PDF and store into the Excel file. Thank you so much, everyone.